What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm once again in the barn, and two things we're going to do this in this video real fast. I got M style mirrors that I ceramic coated and that you saw in the previous video once I upload it. And then the BMW has a rough shut off, which I learned was the throttle actuator valve, and that's situated within the throttle body, so you have to replace the whole throttle body to replace that. And so the only way you know the symptoms of a rough shut off is a rough shut off, so it just vibrates a little bit more. And then when you hook up your scanner to it, there's a code 0043D1, I think, something like that. So anyway, I was impatient and excited to put those mirror caps on, and my dad's stirring up the snowmobile outside. But so this is the old one. You can see right here, it's really grimy and grubby. And then this is the new one. It's the BMW M style. It's got that little wing. Really nice looking carbon fiber too, actually. So yeah, there's the old. I put on the left driver's side one first. I'll go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. Use it from this angle. Really looks sharp. And probably the best angle in view is here, essentially. It looks really good. Really loving the look of that. When you take it off, it's pretty easy. I started prying from this corner. I did it with my fingernail first. I might be able to do it here first. Nope. Gotta put down the camera to do it. But you just pry it. I'll show you the tabs real fast, and then I'll do the other side. Here are the tabs, 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it's really easy to do. Anyone can do it. Don't be afraid to break. Well, I say be careful. Oops, son. Be careful. You don't want to try to break the tabs off, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side, show you guys, and then replace the throttle body. There we go. Got that cover off. It takes a lot of prying to get it. I'm just gonna go ahead and clean this area up a little bit because it's some spots you can't get access to. But there you go, you saw it. I didn't break any clips. The 4 are intact. So yeah, don't be afraid. You can do it. Have confidence. Okay, I'll show you the after real fast. All right, both of them are on. Looks pretty great. The only noticeable thing, this gap right here is just a little bit bigger than the other side. Couldn't quite get it to close, but it's solid. It's not gonna go anywhere. Looks awesome though. Oh, bad birds, get out of here. So yeah, that's awesome. Looks great. One thing I want to test real fast. Okay, good. I was worried those little winglets might hit this A-pillar, but they don't. So we're good. Here, might as well just look down real fast. Yeah, that's awesome. It looks so good. Ah, love it. Okay, now to do the throttle body. Okay, so this is the throttle body itself. If you know anything about vehicles, looks pretty standard. This is by Pureberg. It's not genuine BMW because the genuine stuff is $433 and this guy was $258. So a bit cheaper. Bought it off of FCP Euro. It was a little bit more off of Tune My Euro, which is by a Facebook member. His name's Andrew Rodriguez, I think. But anyway, got it from FCP. Should be pretty easy to replace. I'm gonna try to show how to do it. There we go. Cover off. So yeah, just right here. That's what it is right there. I'm gonna have to get a light so you guys can see. There we go. Oh, look at that. Pureberg is on it. That's interesting. I wonder if this has been replaced before or not. Looks pretty... I don't want to say it's dirty, but it's dusty. That's really gunked up right there. Probably we'll have to take off the air, or at least, yeah, I might have to take off the top of the airbox possibly. But it looks like it's just this clip. I'm trying to see if there's any bolts that I can see to get at it. I think it looks like it's this one. But we'll see how it goes. I'll get back to you guys once we get some stuff unhooked and unbolted. Okay, a few hours later, and the new part is in. It was a little harder to get at. It's mainly, there's 3 of these bolts. You can see right there. Kinda. It's that guy. This. Then there's one underneath. Right there. Maybe you can see, not sure. And then there's also one underneath. So remove this. Remove the bar. Remove this hose. Which does leak some coolant, so be ready for that. It's not enough to like make yourself worried or anything. And then take off this sensor right there. Take off this air inlet from the turbos, and then that is pretty much it. There's some finagling, and it takes some time to get those 3 bolts out. This one was easy. Yeah, it takes a good bit of time just to get those 3 bolts out. But it's not that hard. It wasn't bad. So I still need to start it and make sure that it fixed the rough shut off and it gets rid of the code. I did want to, I took off the bottom panel because we dropped some tools, which, yeah, it happens. So I gotta put that splash guard and then put the engine cover back on. But that is a wrap to that. I was hoping to film it while we were doing it, but you just get sidetracked in the moment, kind of just forget. But yeah, that's the plan. It wasn't that hard. Just be ready to, I don't know, just hard to get at some stuff. But yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys later.